Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to equip Flair in Pokemon TCG Pockets. You just want to open up the app first, and then you see at the bottom here the second option right here for your cards. Click on that second option right here at the bottom for your cards. Click on that. And now basically what we're going to do, we're going to choose the card we want to add a Flair to. Let's see, I think I'll add a Flair to my Marowak. I'm going to add it to this one. So all you need to do, guys, is basically just click on this option right here, obtain Flair, okay? Just click on that option. Okay, obtain Flair, and boom, guys. You only need to do is click on OK, and basically you can click on exchange if you have enough items, or if you already have Flair, it would have shown up here, and that's how you can add Flair, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble. I'll try to help you out in the comments. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.